Hey there, fellow anglers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fishing gear to bring you our picks for the best fishing rods in 2023. From powerful surf casting rods to versatile spinning rods, we've tested and reviewed the latest models to help you make an informed decision. So, whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the ultimate fishing rods that will take your angling adventures to the next level. Number 1. The BUDEFO MAXIMUS Lure Fishing Rod has completely exceeded my expectations. Built with 30T carbon material, this rod offers exceptional durability and strength while remaining lightweight. Its versatility is unmatched, with length options ranging from 1.8 meter to 3.0 meter, catering to various fishing environments such as ocean boat fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir pond, and stream. The fast action ensures quick and precise response, allowing me to feel even the slightest of bites. With a TOP diameter of 1.8 millimeters, my casts are accurate and efficient. The hard hardness provides the necessary power to handle larger fish effortlessly. Equipped with a Fuji guide, this rod delivers excellent casting and spinning performance. Whether it's casting or spinning, the BUDEFO MAXIMUS Lure Fishing Rod is a reliable companion for any angler seeking superior quality and performance. Number 2. I recently had the opportunity to try out the Kastking Max Steel Rod, and I must say, it's an impressive fishing rod that delivers quality, performance, and great value. Designed for both spinning and casting, it comes in lengths ranging from 1.80 meter to 2.4 meter, catering to different fishing preferences, especially for bass and pike fishing. The outstanding cosmetics, available in red, silver, and gray, add a touch of style to the rod. With Kastking's Cast Flex technology, which wraps 24-ton carbon fiber at 4 different angles, the rod maintains excellent power throughout. The lightweight reel seat and high-strength CC ceramic guides, along with the comfortable EVA handle, ensure durability and comfort during long fishing sessions. The power transition system provides a seamless feeling similar to a one-piece rod, suitable for various fish species such as bass, trout, catfish, and panfish. The Kastking Max Steel Rod is a versatile and reliable choice for all anglers seeking quality and performance. Number 3. The SeaKnight brand Falcon Roman II Series Fishing Rod is a remarkable choice for all anglers. Available in lengths of 1.98 meter, 2.1 meter, and 2.4 meter, this rod offers versatility to suit different fishing needs. Whether you prefer spinning or casting, it delivers outstanding performance. Constructed with carbon material, this rod combines strength and sensitivity, ensuring you can detect even the most subtle strikes. The hard hardness provides the power needed to handle challenging catches. With its 2-section design and double rod tip, it is convenient to transport and store. Suitable for river, reservoir pond, stream, ocean beach fishing, ocean rock fishing, and lake environments, it covers a wide range of fishing scenarios. The SeaKnight brand Falcon Roman II Series Fishing Rod is a reliable and high-quality choice for anglers who value durability and performance. Number 4. The PURELURE Sharpen Soft Lure Long Spinning and Casting Rod is an exceptional choice for anglers seeking TOP performance. With its XF or MF action, this rod strikes the perfect balance between sensitivity and power, allowing for accurate and controlled cast. The 2-joint designs ensure easy transportation and storage. The fast action guarantees quick responsiveness, making it ideal for fast-paced fishing scenarios. The 1.3mm TOP diameter adds to the precision and accuracy of your cast. Crafted from super hard carbon material, this rod offers durability and strength to tackle even the toughest of catches. Its versatility shines through with its suitability for ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir pond, stream, and management field fishing. The PURELURE Sharpen Soft Lure Long Spinning and Casting Rod, proudly made in mainland China, is a reliable choice for any angler looking for quality and performance in their fishing gear. Number 5. The LEYDUN ISO Fishing Rod's 500 Boy Fishing Platform is a remarkable choice for anglers seeking a reliable and versatile fishing rod. With lengths reaching up to 5 m, this telescopic rod is perfect for surf casting, spinning, and rock fishing along the coast or sea. Made from high-quality carbon material, it offers durability and strength while remaining lightweight for comfortable handling. The fast action ensures quick and precise responsiveness, allowing for accurate and controlled casts. Suitable for various fishing environments including ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir, pond, stream, and management field, this rod covers all your fishing needs. The LEYDUN ISO Fishing Rod's 500 buoy fishing platform, proudly originating from mainland China, is a testament to its brand's commitment to quality and performance.